up to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We have a small kitchen garden, and due to the lack of space, we cannot grow much vegetables. But that's just not true. What if we grow vegetables in pots? Whatever vegetables we grow, it's purely organic. Through the last videos, you have been seeing about our kitchen garden. Today's video is also about this. Many people would love to grow onions, but due to a small garden or perhaps no garden at all, they just don't have the space. There is a solution though. They can try growing onions in container gardens. Growing onions in containers allows you to be growing onions indoors or in a small space in your backyard or your rooftop. Today I will tell you how my mom grows onions in our kitchen garden. The onions that you are seeing right now are the summer onions. Sometimes they are in small size or immature. From there, my mom got some small onions and dipped them in water for 24 hours. To grow your onions in pots, you should choose a large-mouthed pot. It needs to be at least 10 inches deep. My mom is growing 8 to 10 onions in one big pot. For this, you need a type of loose, loamy, fertile soil. So, right now my mom has used 50% garden soil and 50% kitchen waste compost for this type of soil. Also, make sure to keep your plant in such a place where it gets 6 to 7 hours of sunlight. Water is important to grow onions in container gardens because your container onions will have little access to naturally stored rainfall from surrounding soils like onions grow in ground do. And your onion plants like moist soil. So notice your soil, and whenever the soil is dry, water thoroughly. The best time to grow onions in India is autumn or winter. But my mom grows onions like this throughout the year. Because these onions and spring onions are used in many dishes. You can also try like this. Hope you will enjoy your onions. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.